It's winter steelhead season out here in Southern Oregon. Let's just say I'm experiencing the highs and lows of trying to catch one of the most amazing fish on the planet. I think you're gonna wanna stick around for the end of this video, trust me. We just got some. That's a freaking steelhead. That's a steelhead. Well, we're getting some bushwhacking in today. Oh, I'm gonna fish, I'm gonna fish, I'm gonna fish, I'm gonna fish. It's a good fish, it's a good fish, it's a good fish. Is this for real right now? It's such an addiction chasing after steelhead. I really can't explain it. Yeah, you just woke up. You just woke up. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome back. It's been a few weeks since we finally landed a steelhead. In that time frame, we got a little bit of rain. The water rose just a bit. I was fishing around 200 CFS in the last video. It jumped all the way up to like 500-600, and then we're sitting at 300 right now. So it's back to being emerald green, clear. It's back to being a nice water level that I can wade around in. Get into some spots that I usually wouldn't get in mid-February. That's exactly what we're doing today. It's gonna give us a chance to fish some new water, to film some new places that haven't been on the channel before. We gotta get to the top and start working down. Well, we're getting some bushwhacking in today. I see a trail. Do you ever start doing something and wonder why you're doing it? I think those blackberries are a prime example of that. All I can say is this better be worth it. But I finally found the trail that I was looking for. There's got to be another way up here. Maybe not. I think it's safe to say we're in a new spot we've never fished before. On the other hand, this is taking a little bit longer than I anticipated. Finally, we've got some access. Well, I think I've spent more time walking around out here than actually fishing. I'm gonna be brutally honest, this was kind of a letdown. I thought we'd find some more deeper pools, and we just didn't find that at all. So I know where I am right now. I'm walking through some little creek right now. I know where it shoots out. And once we get back to the main river, I'm gonna fish some spots that hopefully we can hook into a steelhead. Oh, I'm gonna fish, I'm gonna fish, I'm gonna fish, I'm gonna fish, I'm gonna fish. It's a good fish, it's a good fish, it's a good fish. And I lost it, and I lost it, and I lost it, dude. Oh, no, freaking, that was a steelhead, dude. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Well, that sucks. I don't know for sure if it was a steelhead. Pretty big. Leaped out of the water. That's a bummer. That's kind of just how today's been going. I've been just getting my ass kicked. We know where we're coming tomorrow. This spot might look a little familiar. Just had it in my last video. where I was fishing wasn't too far away, so you always gotta fish what you can. I know this is a good steelhead fishing hole too. We just got some. That's a freaking steelhead. That's a steelhead. That's a steel. Oh my god. 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 You've got to be kidding me, dude. I've lost 2 steelhead today. Is this for real right now? Well, let's talk a little bit about yesterday. That sucked. I kind of spent most of the morning wandering around, not really fishing, not really finding anywhere to fish. And a few hours go by. I find a couple pools that I already know about to fish, and then I lose fish. Not only was I just kind of wandering around, wasting a little bit of time, but when I finally went down into some of these pools, I lost 2 fish, 2 really nice fish, which is never fun. But I'm back out here again today. My plan for today is I'm gonna hit the 2 pools that I lost those fish and, you know, be out here for an hour or 2 and then head home. If I catch something, I catch something. If I lose them again, that would suck. Well, I think it's been around an hour since we've been fishing this spot right here. I'm gonna pack up and head out to the next spot, see if our luck changes a little bit. Spot number 2. That's a fish, that's a fish, that's a fish, that's a fish. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. That's a fish. That is a fish. I'm in such a bad spot. There. Yeah, you just woke up. You just woke up. Yeah. Let's go. Let's freaking go, dude. That is a nice fish. That's a beauty right there. Let's go. Let's go. I got my ass kicked last week. I did a little more exploring today, a week later. And there we go, dude. There's a freaking another one right there. Unreal. Let's freaking go, dude. That was a nice freaking steelhead. That was really nice. Better than the last one. And I think I'm going to take any steelhead I can get. Really, any fish I can get right now. I'm out here in the pouring rain just because it's such an addiction chasing after steelhead. I really can't explain it. For you guys in the Pacific Northwest and Alaska and parts of Idaho, you're gonna know what I'm talking about, but unreal, dude, unreal. Well, we got it done. You can't really complain about that. We lost 2 this video, but we caught a really nice one. It took a few days, and I'm not gonna lie, I filmed and came out here more times than I show in the video, but that's just kind of the reality of steelhead fishing. It's not easy. It's a grind for these fish. For those of you who've been around for a while, I didn't catch any last winter, so 2 for 4 right now that's a crazy win, and we're not even in a March or April yet, so I'm really excited to see where this year goes. But anyways, the rain is dumping on me, and I think it's time to head home. As always, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.